The search for 9-year-old girl Anisha Ingtipi continues without any lead in Upper Deigrum area under the Nili Bemesi constituency. The girl has gone missing since August 28, while the dead body of 11-year-old Subita Hansepe was recovered the next day. Here is a report. On Wednesday, residents of several villages of the area comprising of My Village, Sati Rengma Village, Lokhon Hanse Village, Upper Deigrum Lokhiram Village and Phangcharop Rengma Village conducted massive search in an effort to find the 9-year-old girl Anisha Ingtipi. In addition to this, the Karbi Students Association Koilamati Unit, Chokihola Kese Unit, Chokihola Police and relative of the missing girl also took part in the search, but there was no lead or breakthrough till 5:30 p.m. while this report was compiled.
Barney pen, pini an nitum nitli, sang se pin pen. Abang so some opan kepalong panitum pinan di taliblo, the me atumi, like a nitum bang, poropodia moidu. Kitong, the me pini, Jota nitum bang, protom to 7 minute relo. Naka aleng king room pet pen relo, the me pini ani antitum bang so pan take long ela.
Dak Koilamati branch organization KSA pen ta thot bang kulo. Kidam tang tarik thong kep arni pen akiri. Long le sia ku puthot inot Anisha Ingtipi punon puan ta long le lang. Nitum chot kalilo nitum offer nitum chot kalilo. Wrong arat kaduk ka bitum da ka chapaduk piglo. Cholong le jun long le ada pen te bar habit kwan ane kahilo kilometer in koi thong kep lan anu kidam. Staminan puan ta long le. Lasi nil tuma ka chuning riji bu bangke karbiang long speech dame dak misen pen la pen ke tum dak kiri gitar lip kupuson la pen ke kumat chum sike claim la puson awat lang no kami claim la hai aphanang gitar lip pen prabjin pen ang thek nem paklang thek ji pansini tum chuning rilo la pen ke karbiang long a cm tuliram long hang pustame nili tum phan non rada kisung la ka chilong loyang Anisha Ingtipi alang li ka chilong lelang sitami kilong tang bang pustame non kilong lelang aphan puthot kunat kupia bidi bensi sarkar pen lapen karbiang long arat lapen karbiang long tim karbiang long ben sitami kuson sinang rat thek jima lapen ke non prabjin pen ki palong thek jipana bidi nang than ponang popusi ni litum chuning rilo.
Earlier, Nilip MSc Pavitra Rongpi also met the families of both the girls to express his condolence and solidarity towards the family. The local elected representative informed local media that the search would continue day and night and would not leave any stone unturned in their effort to find the missing girl.
So we had seen the SDPU pen nili chingkilo chithanlo lapen osi da kosi pen da chingki thanlo lapen law and order pen ta alang tum ta bori pon bom lo lapen law and order pen alang tum iri ripino ha kecheng ani pen pini ani an talang tum ta dolo claim bom mo chapaduglo sila solo got alang tum ta si chuning rigala hello rong adowi rar tum chitami nang cherap chito nang ji organization social organization doan pen kadowi tum cherap rapet pen si tum kam claim nang ji pusalang tum nang do lapen law and order pen ke alang tum ta long le tik ta alang tum ta sangsilo.
Meanwhile, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang, MLA, EMs and KSA and several other organizations of the hill districts of Karbi Anglong have urged upon the district administration to continue their search and leave no efforts to find the missing girl. Local villagers also told reporters that they would also continue their search day and night even as the family members of the missing girl are undergoing through immense stress and anxiety as they continue to pray for the precious life of their little girl. Samson Intes report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live.